today we're going to be making delicious, amazing, tasty Empire biscuits, or in Kai language, Empire biscuits. Oh, no, Empire biscuits. My mum forced me to tell you about the history of Empire biscuits, so I'm going to have to tell you. But if you don't want to listen to the history, then it should say on the screen what time in the video the food making starts. Okay, so this is one of our family favourites, and I want to tell you a bit about the Empire biscuits. The Empire biscuits was first made in a town called Linz in Austria. It was known as Linzer biscuit or the German biscuit. Obviously, during World War I, this was not a good name for the UK, so they changed it to the Empire biscuit. That's the history of the Empire biscuit. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. 200 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of butter, 50 grams of icing sugar, and another 200 grams of icing sugar for the topping. Some gummy sweets, or we don't have some, so we're going to be creative and use Skittles, or you can use cherries. Some raspberry jam for the filling. So before you start cooking, turn on the oven to 180 degrees or 160 if you have a fan oven. Measure 200 grams of plain flour and then put it into a bowl. Now get 150 grams of butter. If you have a guide like this that tells you each 50 grams, then use it. So 50, 100, 150. So we cut it here. Put the butter into the bowl with the flour and then wash your hands really well and then mix together with your fingers. Get 50 grams of icing sugar. Oops, that's 100. Much in, then you have to take it out. Remember, if you're using ounces, 25 grams is 1 ounce, so 2 ounces. Now, put it in with the breadcrumbs, which is what that should look like now, if you didn't know. Keep mixing it together until it's like a dough. So now we're gonna roll the dough out. So get a rolling pin and get some plain flour and spread it out on the desk or table, whatever you're gonna use, and also put it on the rolling pin. I'm doing half and half so it's easier, so I'm gonna do half just now, half after. Feels really nice, it feels like Play-Doh. So now roll it out with a rolling pin. Now use a biscuit cutter and cut them out, and then pick them up and put them into a tray just like this. And yeah, you've done that. You might still have some extra left, so we've got another half still, but just now we're gonna put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Thank you, Mum. And wrong way again, always do this. Yeah, just put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Cook them for a wee bit until they're like brown on the edges, and then take them out and cool them down. They smell so good. So, now that we've got our biscuits all cooked and nice and cool, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a biscuit. We're gonna get some jam, strawberry or raspberry is probably the best. We're gonna spread it on and then get another one and put it on top like that, and then put them to the side, and do that with the rest of your biscuits. This one's not got a friend to go with, so just gonna put some jam on him and then eat him. This is so good, it's delicious. Then put 200 grams of icing sugar and a bit of water and mix it till it's nice and gloopy. You might need to add a bit of icing sugar if you put too much water in. This is what it should look like. Now get the icing sugar and put it around about the middle and spread it with the back of the spoon until it covers most of the thingy. So now we need to do like the top part, but it's normally cherries that go on, or those gummy drop thingies, but we don't have any of them, so we're just going to use big Skittles. You can use really anything, doesn't matter too much. This is the finished product. Remember to like and subscribe for more, and also share it with your friends. And this is something new we're going to be doing. Comment your name if you made this. Then in the next video we'll pick 5 random people to shout out that commented. I'd also like to shout out to my friend Charlotte for making my rocky road. You should probably make that because it's really yummy and delicious and awesome. Bye. Thanks for watching.